This is the Kia EV6 GT Line S Highways car. Once you step inside the EV6, you will find a wide range of excellent and useful features available at your fingertips. A wide range of charging options make it easy for you to charge phones, tablets, and other electronics that you will need for your working day. The infotainment system controls a lot of the features of the car, including setting charging target levels, so you can get on the road for your journey as quickly as possible. Adjust the climate controls for yourself and any passengers, set your destination, and you're ready to go. The electric EV6 highways vehicle is highly visible both on and off the road, complete with Chapter 8 regulation markings. Safety features on the EV6 include excellent reversing cameras and 360-degree vehicle imaging, which is displayed in high resolution on the infotainment screen. There are also blind spot cameras to help out in tricky places, which are very useful tools on busy working sites. Just because you are working doesn't mean you cannot enjoy your journey. The EV6 has supremely comfortable seats for those long journeys. Charging the car is quick and easy, with the Kia EV6 being capable of ultra-rapid charging speed. In the back of this highways vehicle, you will find a very generous amount of space in the boot. The EV6 comes complete with a portable charging cable should you need one on the road. And don't forget, this stylish electric car is exempt from both the ultra-low emission zone charge and the London congestion charge. Hire your EV6 highways vehicle from EVision today.